Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your SD card without formatting. We will explore several effective strategies to get your card working properly, all while preserving your existing data. This guide focuses on troubleshooting and configuration steps that do not involve erasing any files. Our goal is to help you regain access and functionality without the need for a full reformat, keeping your precious memories and documents secure. First, let's start with the basics. Ensure your SD card is securely seated in its reader. A loose connection is a common culprit. If that doesn't work, try plugging the reader into a different USB port on your computer, or even use an entirely different card reader if you have one available. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted drivers can prevent recognition, so check for updates in Device Manager. Testing the card on another device can quickly tell you if the issue is with the card or your computer. Next, we'll use Windows Disk Management, a powerful built-in tool. To access it, simply search for Disk Management in your Start menu. Once open, look for your SD card. It might appear as a removable disk or have a specific size you recognize. If the card is visible but lacks a drive letter, right-click and assign one to make it accessible. Also, observe its status. If it shows as RAW or unallocated, further steps might be needed. But assigning a letter is a great first step. For more persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run chkdsk followed by your SD card's drive letter and /F to scan and fix file system errors. If the card has multiple partitions or appears unallocated, specialized partition management software can help you investigate. If data is still inaccessible, data recovery software might be your next best option. Always remember to back up any critical data before attempting significant changes to prevent permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.